The QIMER Y02 Carry-On Luggage is a versatile three-piece set that includes a suitcase, duffel bag, and toiletry bag, making it an ideal choice for travelers who need organized packing options. Constructed from 100% polycarbonate material, this luggage is remarkably lightweight yet durable, providing resistance to scratches and wear, ensuring it remains in excellent condition through numerous travels. The luggage is equipped with TSA-approved locks, offering peace of mind by keeping your belongings secure while facilitating hassle-free security checks at airports. The suitcase features smooth gliding, silent spinner wheels with a 360-degree range, allowing for effortless maneuverability across various surfaces, even when fully packed. An ergonomic aluminum alloy handle with a 3-stage operating lever ensures comfortable handling and adaptability for users of different heights. Every detail of the QIMER Y02 is meticulously designed to enhance your travel experience, from the sturdy zippers to the expandable capacity of the duffel bag, catering to diverse travel needs.